everyone. Thanks to anyone to come into my presentation today. On this presentation, I'm going to show you the information system, businesses, and requirement analysis for the body and sold Windex. So we move on to our table content. As we can see here, the table content will be divided into three big parts. On the first part, I will going to show you the introduction, and second part will be the business analysis. Analysis part of will be the project journal. As we can see here, there's a reference we can see, and that I will refer to those references to do the and make some research for that, and all the answer key to be based on the reference. So we move on to our first big part, introduction. On the introduction, there were backgrounds here. On the British background, it means that the Bobby So Windex century has a problem because the customer is difficult to make a bookings. So the main purpose of doing this report is gonna show you how the exactly problem will be and what is the outcome and how to solve it of that. And here's the keywords. For this keyword, it will be pretty useful for of these sections on the below. So here there's a part 2, the business analysis. So here there's a 2B diagram, as we can the picture show what exactly will be of the new system, and it will be use the line to connect with the relationship between the different projects. And on an organization's change section, the CIS means that the old system, how the old system running, and compare with the 2B, they will show and explain what exactly they are. Moving to the screen design, the screen design will be divided into two parts. The first part will be the mobile screen version, because the mobile screen version cannot support a huge data. So in these cases, I make the interface to be less beautiful as compared with the PC version. PC version is much prettier than the mobile versions, because I have no way to do that. The mobile version have to limit by the machine configuration. Anyway, we move on to the next acceptance criteria. The acceptance criteria is to set up the criteria the user's input. Any wrong input they cannot input to our booking system. This prevent some of the hackers to hack in our system. And here, more in depth, the application architecture will show how is that the application's running. For example, we can see the database servers you will divide into invoice, time schedule, and customer details. All those data will save on the database, so it's pretty useful to clear out what is how the application's running. On the ERI stands for Activities Relationship Diagram. On this diagram, we show whole process of the projects of the relationship. For example, the customer may contact receptionist, and receptionist will book the schedule, but from the booking system. That is the relationship between the customer, receptionist, and the booking system. And how can we develop our new system? So we highly relied on the module. So I compare with the waterfall module. As you can see the process here, but the most drawback for the waterfall module is that waterfall module cannot start it to the next stage before you finish the stage. So it's difficult to change the things if some stages you gotta make state. So there was another module called the edges method. Just have a look at that here. I'm gonna show the difference between the waterfall methods and the edges methods. To my recommendation, I recommend the edges methods because edges methods can more flexible and although spend more money and time, the efficiency will be improve our system, and I mean it's worth it to do with the edges method. So conclusion and the recommendation: the system development isn't necessary because we cannot deal with the problem as the currency system happens. I think new system need to focus on the mobile version because the mobile version is cover and popular in the modern society than the PC version. So last part will be the project journal, and on this project journal will show that what I actually done on the last month. Thanks anyone to watching.